What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to talk about AMC in this video. I'm excited because AMC is slightly up. Now, things can change, right? We still have about 40 minutes, 41 minutes left in the day. As we go through this, we'll kind of push by, 8 minutes of that. But anything could happen. Right now, it looks like it's more or less like barcoding. We're not seeing a crazy amount of volume, which, sort of makes me upset, but also still happy because it's positive, right? So we have good news, we have bad news, we have in the middle of the road news, whether you're going to be in the middle of the road getting hit by a car or just being in the middle of the road not knowing which way to go. I'll let you decide whatever we are. But I wanted to talk about AMC in this video, give you guys an update on where it is, as well as maybe look at some of the news that's happening today. But guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It also helps out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my main channel, which is mainly about crypto at the moment, feel free to go ahead and check out my main channel. We are closing in on 200,000 subscribers. We're at 199,000 subscribers. So under 1,000 subscribers to get to that level of 200,000. So feel free to help me out if you're interested. But anyways, let's talk about AMC because like I said, AMC is up today. We're seeing it up 2%. Now it's not saying that it's up 50% or 100% or back up to normal because recently we did see this at a level where it was at $8 plus. And being at $8 plus for AMC that was just at $4 and now kind of back at $4, you may be a little bit upset where it is, but let's take it, I guess, as a little bit of a positive, seeing how things have gone, seeing what the movement has been. But let me take you through this position really quick and show you what has happened today. Again, up 2.2%. The one thing that I like to kind of focus on here is the volume, right? I always like to focus on the volume for popularity. Yesterday, we saw multiple tens of millions of shares that were going through in volume, and it was down significantly, right? We saw it down by what, like 10%, 12%, something like that. It was down quite a bit. And we saw like 30, 40, 50 million shares worth of volume that was going through. But majority of the volume that was happening yesterday was short volume. I do want to go through all of that volume that we did see yesterday and break that all down. But while we're all seeing this positivity, we're also seeing some more of the negative side, but we'll get into that in a minute. Let's look at how the chart has moved and how the position has moved. So it was increasing in the pre-market, which anytime you see that things are increasing quite a bit in the pre-market, you can expect to see more of a sell-off because it's increasing maybe a little bit too much. You start to see it at a level where it's getting closer to being oversold, if not oversold. I said oversold. That was weird. But whether it's over the oversold or overbought mark. So you saw that up there, and then it just took a dive as it opened up, all the way down to about $4.52 of a low. That's the lowest point that it did hit today. Then it did kind of consolidate a little bit lower, looking for a push. It did end up pushing somewhere around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. It pushed up to this high level of $4.64 before decreasing, a little bit and getting right back down to some of these lows here where it was consolidating before, kind of barcoding right here because you're not seeing as much volume that's going through, but it is staying flat around $4.54. But it started to increase, jumping over the 15 moving average, 200 EMA, VWAP, all of that up to $4.64 yet again, kind of seeing that double top scenario. So like I said, anything could happen in this last like 30 minutes. We could see it fall pretty hard, but right now, as of the time of recording this video, it is up. I want to get this posted usually by 4 o'clock, so I always like to record it before that. But you can see anything, especially when it comes to the short attacks that we have seen. Average volume, we are sitting at lower than what the average volume is. So maybe as we see the closing and also the after hours market, we'll see some volume pick up a little bit before the pre-market does hit. But anyways, you're seeing 19 million in volume. You're seeing an average again of 23 million, so we are lower than that. Yeah, that pretty much sums up all of that there. Now, I did want to look at the news to see if anything is happening right now. AMC 8Bet has handed 150% gains and 260% losses to traders. That's very interesting. AMC legally shares customer information with Facebook. Lawsuit claims report MarketWatch, which that was 4 minutes ago. Um, you're seeing some negative news that's there. I mean, that is negative, having any information that's being shared, maybe without your knowledge. If it is with your knowledge, then I mean, that's something that's within their guidelines or something that they're doing there, but I haven't checked that. The cost to borrow for AMC Entertainment stock is swinging wildly. I can imagine gas prices alert. Why are gas prices going up again? That's not really going to pertain to AMC really that much. But one of the, I guess, negative sides to what's happening today, because again, we're up 2%. Being up 2% is sort of like being flat for AMC, especially with all the pushes that we have seen. The one thing I want to focus on, obviously, would be to go into the short interest data. I talked about it yesterday, how we're approaching 30%. Well, we're even closer to that level. We're currently at 29.39% short interest of free float, which is up 12.5% over the last 3 months. So absolutely insane. And as we see, retail traders get strong and hold strong around this, hopefully the business can survive, so we can reap the benefits of this overall heavily shorted position that shouldn't be that shorted. If we go into the breakdown of what the shorts are, if we look at yesterday, which was the 27th, 57% of volume that was going through was short volume. And you could see that on average, we're seeing well above 50% of the volume each day being shorted. And this doesn't mean that we're 50% short interest. This just means that we're 50% short. Volume can go in and out. People can cover their shorts right away, just like people can cover, or sell their shares. If they purchase shares, they can sell it right away and do a day trade. You can short and then cover that short, then short again and cover that short. You're creating reactions by doing that, especially when you have a large sum of money that's going into the short side of things. So AMC, again, it's getting worse and worse for them. I just hope that they see the negative side of what they're doing rather than seeing the positive, which would be AMC, going under. And then no matter what we do as a whole, they can't find a way to survive. So the hedge funds end up winning. And we don't want that to happen. We want to win. We want the business to win. We want AMC to be around. So let's do everything that we can in order to fight for this company. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon at Perry8K. You can follow me over on Twitter. And then I think the Patreon link should be in the description, but I'll have to check. So I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.